Yeah. Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Solihull. Be nice to have a look at this Vaillant. It's not giving any codes, it's not working, it's not firing up on heating or hot water. It just seems like it's confused. So we're gonna diagnose it and we're gonna repair it in this video. There's not much to diagnose on this, to be honest with you. It looks like it's completely confused. It's just going round and round and round. When it's going round and round and round, it most likely means the circuit board is faulty. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you do, don't forget to like and subscribe. Right guys, I'm just quickly checking which wire goes where so I don't have to do something thinking afterwards. Right, unfortunately we're gonna have to put a reconditioned board in this because the new one is extremely expensive, and especially the age of the boiler. There's no point putting investing so much on this boiler. The customer's already thinking about changing the boiler, so he wants to get through the winter, and hopefully in the summer I'm just gonna change the boiler. So the plan is just to put a reconditioned board in it and get the boiler working for this gentleman. Yeah, thankfully I've come back to this one. Came in yesterday, and we got ain't got a board in here. So got a new board. I'm gonna put that in. So I've got a new board. I'm gonna put that in now. Now, guys, if you got a broken down boiler in Birmingham, South Birmingham, we repair all your favorite boilers from baxi, Biasi, wocesterbosch, Vaillant, and many more. We also do Gladill boilers, water tanks too, Y plans, S plans, combi boilers. So if you got a broken down boiler, don't suffer in cold. Just give us a call and we'll sort it out for you. We also do landlord safety certificates and boiler servicing. Believe me, they got better cars than we do.
Oh yeah, there's a good scam going on. We're going down in Harbour.
Hiya. Right guys, the board's in. It only took me 10-15 minutes. So thankfully these boards are very easy to put in, and the connections are just clip in. So we're ready to test the boiler out now.
85 very, very good players. They buy players that can for about 35-40 million.
Yeah.
And but they can play, and they're athletes and decent players. Yeah, Newcastle, I went to Newcastle game, and as soon as they walked on the pitch, you saw Newcastle midfield, they were like 3-6-2 blokes. It was dwarfing half of
that. Yeah, I remember the good old days with Arsenal had an amazing team.
Oh yeah, Arsenal, yeah. When Arsenal had the Invincibles that year, they went unbeaten.
Yeah, we're going to code this in there, we got program it. Alright. Right, now that I got the boiler on, I gotta program the boiler. I've got an F70, so we're gonna do the settings on that now. Yes, that's it. R1. Okay, D.0. D96. Press the minus button, yeah? No, I'm not getting D96, I'm getting D97 and D91. I'm sorry, D97. Oh, okay. Yeah, but. Okay, 0. One seven, yeah. Back, D97. Okay, D93. Seven flashing. Yeah, G93. Yep, I got 2.2 bar. You've done it in about 2 minutes. I would have took me 2 hours. Thank you so much. You too, bye. Okay, that's it. Hopefully now let's go and try the tap for me, please.
I know that phone comes on, it's true. About this time of year, what time where do you set it on? About, we'll do that till about 2 o'clock or something.
Yeah, from being water.
Yeah, I think we're time to do it.
Everything looks fine now. Hopefully you ain't got no other issues.
Starting to warm up now. I mean, the only thing I'll do is I've all the trays and stuff. You know, come and do, you know, do what you need to do.
Oh, thank you for that review. You know what it is? You don't know how much I appreciate. As probably as much as you appreciate the boiler being repaired, I appreciate the review.
Now it's fine now.
Oh no, what happened? It's just gone dead. The boiler's completely dead again. I'll put this case on and I think I've done something.
Not really.
Well, have I moved the wire? Move the wire. That's fine. Right. That's fine. So I'm over there. What I did is this.
Yeah, that's the way that work. Very well, yeah.
Okay, whatever. Don't worry.
Nah, I don't worry.
No, it's probably just a.
Yeah. That thermostat will come out again because you know what's the temperature. Thermostat will kick it on anyway.
Now the display's gone. So this something's not right.
Yeah, well, it's just not making noise, isn't it?
So it's this case on, right?
Of course.
Just here. Oh, no fuse. High voltage. There's a brown fuse. The fuse couldn't have gone me by putting the cover on.
Really?
Again, don't worry, I got lots of fuses.
You could say suddenly, probably is.
Yeah, the fuse is gone.
That's weird.
No, it's not weird. I'm worried then. Because something's blown the fuse.
Right.
Yeah, I hope it's me putting the case on and I banged it. That's fine if it's me.
Yeah, that's right.
Then it's good. I'll put the case back and go slowly next time.
Let's go on and go celebrate and pick it.
That's fine, I know. Okay, stop pumping us now. Right guys, while I was putting the case back on, I've blown the fuse. I've replaced the fuse on it and now the boiler's powered up again. It's working fine. But why did the fuse blow? Keep watching, we're gonna solve this mystery. figured out what happened. Now the pressure on the boiler is a bit high, but on these Vaillants you got drain offs. So to reduce the pressure, I opened the drain off and some of the water went on the inside of the case. And when I put the case back on, that's blown the fuse.
Yeah, interesting.
You see water?
Oh, yeah.
From the bowl. I'm wiping the tissue paper before I put it back on. I'm just checking. Wipe is clean. Oh my god, I just learned something today, haven't I?
There you go then. If there's any curve in it.
Yeah, made sure.
Just splash some water, such a more. Oh, yeah.
No, it must have just gone to a power or something.
Yeah.
So.
That's what fuse are for, isn't it?
And that's it. Hopefully no more issues. Right guys, change the fuse, the boiler's powered up. Hopefully there's nothing else wrong with it. We're gonna do all our safety checks and we're gonna be out of here. Well, I'll put this case on and by then we'll be testing it out and we'll get out of here. Right guys, hopefully you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. By subscribing you just keep us motivated. So till next time, stay positive, keep smiling. Hopefully that'll keep you happy. Yep, you're ready to warm it up. 1 second. Right guys, the boiler's fired up now. It's all working, central heating is working fine. The pressure 1.8 and it's around about there and that. The boiler's fired up and we've changed the circuit. Right guys, I've just sorted the boiler out and this gentleman would like to give me a review. Hopefully a good, kind review.
Okay boys, what I can say is it's probably the best tradesman I've had come to my house over the many years I've had tradesmen. He's so knowledgeable, he knows about the boiler. I can't believe the link that they've got so much with Vaillant. You can just, a job that I'm sure a few other tradesmen would have come and probably done a repair and it wouldn't have worked, done a repair wouldn't have worked. This has been absolutely excellent. It just brings back to the old days where people could come and solve problems for you at a reasonable price. So well done.
I think that was beautiful. That was so nice of him. So thank you so much. Right guys, well, let's go. I'm so excited about the review stuff as well. Guys, sorted this one out. Till next time, Birmingham Boiler Fix.